OneOdio Bluetooth headphones. They are the A11 model. These are on Amazon at the moment, priced at $34.99, and Audio have sent me these to review, so we're going to take a look at them, open them up, see what's inside, see how they sound, and see if they're any good for general use. Okay, cool box. On the side it does say it's got bass, foldable and portable. They can be used wired or wirelessly. They've got voice assistant control, 24 hours playtime, built-in microphone, so you can make phone calls on this as well, which is awesome. Let's open them up and see what they're all about. Okay, so we've got a nice bag. We've got instructions and other stuff in there, so instructions in there, we'll leave to the side. We've got the wire, I presume, here to wire it. We've got the charging cable, which is micro USB, which is a little bit disappointing. I'd just like to see USB-C on most devices these days. It's the way we're going. We should all have USB-C. That's a wired mic. This is a wired, so you can plug it in via the 3.5mm jack that is on the headphones. It's not that long. It's a meter. It's a meter wire. Looks okay quality. So anyway, there's that option. In the bag then, cool little leather bag, and here are the headphones. Okay, anything else in the bag? No, that's it in the bag. So we've got the wire, the bag, headphones themselves. Right, so they're foldable. They are made of plastic by the looks of it. Plastic adjusting mechanism there. Sort of a vinyl touch on the outside. Looks like a vinyl record. That's pretty cool. The ear pads, first inspection, look pretty soft. They feel pretty soft. It's got the little L on the inside, so you know which ear you're putting it on, which is always handy. The headband, it has a decent amount of cushioning, and then we've got the OneOdio logo on the top of it, which is nice. All black, that's what I like. Look nice and sleek. They feel flexible. They feel relatively well made, but they are made of plastic, so if you're looking for more durable ones, then maybe these aren't the ones for you. But the only thing that worries me is this wire here. You can see probably in the camera above, you've got that wire that goes around the headband, obviously connecting the two earphones together. Quite a light adjustment. It's not going to sort of click in place, but I like the fact that these are over-ear headphones. Nice big pads. We've got the controls here, 3.5mm jack there, plus and minus play button, and then another button there, I presume, to pair them. So yeah, okay, they look okay. For under £50, $34.99 in the UK. These look all right. I'm gonna put them on my ears the right way. Okay, definitely over-ear headphones. The headband's quite comfortable. They're very light, but they feel comfortable. I'm always a bit fussy when it comes to headphones. I've been using the Sennheiser HD206s for a long time now. They're probably not quite big enough for my ears. They sort of still press on from wearing for a long period of time. They do start to chafe a little bit, but these are gonna be comfortable. Yeah, okay. They feel alright. They feel not bad. It does say they're memory foam. I don't think it's a memory foam. It feels just like a normal padding. It's not going to be real leather. It's going to be like a plastic imitation. It's got the branding on the inside as well. Let's connect them to the MacBook, because if I'm going to be using these, it's going to be whilst I'm editing. I don't really listen to a lot of music, in all honesty, but we'll play some music and I'll give my humble opinion on what they sound like. Oh, they've turned on. They're charged. Bluetooth preferences, you're going to pick up a new, yep, this connected straight away. OneOdio A11 connect. We've had a little beep and another little beep in the earphones to let me know they're connected. Okay. Oh, okay. You hear that? Okay. They sound absolutely brilliant, to be honest. Very bassy. The chip in there analyses the bass and actually increases the bass, so they are very bassy headphones, but they sound really, really good. I had it on full volume, no distortion, high end, not too loud that you can't bear it. Just a nice feeling. So there's no raspiness or anything high end. Let's just try another song. Okay. So yeah, they are very bassy. There's no app or anything that you can connect these to adjust the sound. The voice audio was okay, but they're just very bassy headphones. So if that's what you like, then these are going to be perfect for you. But they do sound great, and they look good. They're comfortable. So overall impressions of the OneOdio A11s are impressive for the money. They're connecting well. They're working with a MacBook, so they're going to work. Obviously for editing, you can, like I said, pair them with your audio interface, so you can do the podcast with them, which is going to be good. So you've got real-time monitoring as well, so you're not relying on that Bluetooth, which is handy. That's always a plus. The only downside for me is the fact that they are a little bit plasticky and they charge by micro USB. But apart from that, these are really, really good, cheap, budget headphones that I would fully recommend. Available on Amazon if you want to go and grab a pair of these. There's a link in the description down below. OneOdio have sent me these to review, but it's an honest review. They haven't paid me to say anything. They've just sent me these for free. The link down below is an Amazon affiliate link, and I've just noticed on Amazon that there's an £8 voucher off these at the moment, which takes it down to about $26.99. So at the moment these are an absolute steal if you're looking for some cheap headphones to knock about the house. Good ones, quality, fully recommend them. I think you'll be impressed with the sound. Nice and comfy, nice and flexible, and hopefully they fold up as well to go in the bag, and hopefully they'll last a while. I'm going to be testing these a little bit more over the next few weeks. I'll use them for my editing, I'll use them for the podcast. If you haven't checked out the podcast, Tech is Hard, it's over here somewhere. I'll link it up above so you can go and check it out. It's a lot of fun there. We talk about tech and all sorts of YouTube stuff, so it's go and check that out. I appreciate all the support. But yeah, I'll let you know if there's any other problems I occur. I am a bit worried about that wire there over time, but apart from that, for the price, fully recommend them. That's it for this video. Until next time, take it easy. See you soon, guys. Bye.